Do you want to finally learn how to make money trading support and resistance? Are you ready? Okay, so let's go. What's going on, guys? This has been aka Day Trading Addict, and today I'm going to show you guys 3 simple support and resistance strategies that work. All right, so let's not waste any time and let's go straight into the strategies. Now, when some of you guys trade support and resistance, okay, let's say that we have resistance right here. So we are going right here and then it breaks out of resistance. So we have now resistance turning into support. So when it comes back to this support line right here, a lot of you guys are quick to take a trade. So as soon as you see a green bar, you want to get in right away. And be honest with you, there's nothing wrong with that, okay? And I do that sometimes, but a lot of you guys are beginners, so I want you guys to start taking high quality trades. So one way we can do that is we can have filters, right? We can wait for extra confirmation before we take a trade. So that's what we're going to talk about today. So the first confirmation, guys, we are going to use at support and resistance is a double bottom. So let's go to it. Okay, so in this first example, what do we have here? We have support, support, okay? And then it came back to this support right here. So now we know we have a level where we have price, okay, bouncing off multiple times. So when price comes back to this level right here, okay, we want to see how price reacts to this level. Now, you could take the first green bar when price comes back to this level. It's up to you. But in this video, what I want to do is help you guys, stop being Mr. I want to make profits right now. Instead of that, we want to stay calm, look for high quality trades, okay, and then go from there. So we have the market shooting up right here. It comes back down, okay, and it gives us a double bottom. A double bottom, guys, is when the market creates 2 lows right here, all right? And the reason why a double bottom is very good is because if the market was weak, we will basically what? Break this low, and then we will continue to go lower. So let me show you that real quick. So if this wasn't, okay, a strong area where buyers want to come in, they can actually break this low and continue to go down. But since buyers are in the market and they don't want to push this market down, we will have a double test right here, and then you see buyers push up the market right here. So that's why a double bottom, okay, at a key area right here is a very good trade, okay? So we want to trade the double bottom right at support and resistance. So this is one example, guys, of having extra confirmation. Instead of taking that first trade, you wait for that double test and then you get in, right? So let's go to the second confirmation that we want to look for, and that is supply and demand. Okay, guys, so what we have here, we have support, 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 okay, support. You can't deny that, okay? We have multiple touches right here. Now, notice how price comes back to this and it bounced a lot, okay? Now, if you look at it here, it comes back to support and it gives us nice aggressive buying right here. That is demand, okay? Supply and demand is basically aggressive buying and aggressive selling. So we have a lot of green candles. That's telling you right there, smart money is in the market because we retailers, we can't push up the market like that. Now, we have a lot of green candles. It comes back to this area right here, and we have a nice demand area. So we can take a long from here, okay? And then we can basically, enjoy our profits once the trade goes in our direction, okay? So this is how you use extra confirmation at that support level, okay? We are waiting for a price to bounce off this level, show us aggressive buying, and then we want it to come back to this demand level, okay, this demand area right here, and then we want to take a trade, all right? So that's the second confirmation, guys, all right? Now let's go to the third confirmation, which is stopouts. Okay, so right here we have what? We have support right here, and a support right here, okay, right? So we know that this is support right here, and whoever's long right here basically just got stopped out, right? We have this support level right here. Whoever was long right here got stopped out. Now, as soon as they got stopped out, buyers came in the market, okay, pushed this market up, and then continue to go up higher. And that's what we want to do. We want to look for price, okay, to stop out these longs right here, okay, and then we want price to push up. Now, I know some of you guys are going to say, well, how do you know this is not a breakout and it's not going to continue to go down, okay? Well, we want buyers. We want to see buyers, okay? So we want to see buyers to come in. Now, if you look at the whole market, what is it? It's a bullish market. So, obviously you want the market to continue to go back up anyway. So it's not like you just want to press buy just because. No, the market is bullish. So we want to basically take buys. Now, we have this nice stop out right here, and we want smart money to come back in and then, continue to basically bring up the market. And then you can take this nice trade when you see the market go up so you can enjoy your profits. Now, I do have a live example for you guys. So let's go to that live example right now. Okay, so right here, you can see that I'm in a trade, okay? So let me explain this trade real quick. Let me fast forward it so you can actually see why I got in this trade. All right, now look at this here, guys. We have support right here, support right here, support right here, okay? Notice how price breaks support and then buyers come back in. When buyers came back in, that's when I went long, okay? And I was looking for the market to continue to go up, right? Because we just finished stopping out buyers right at support and, buyers came in. So now I'm looking for profits. So let's fast forward this real quick. Okay, so this is basically where, the market was going up and I was up almost around $600. But overall, I wanted to, hold this trade. I was looking to get at least $1,000 or $800 off the trade, but I got out because I wasn't too sure. This is US 30 and the market was pushing up, 3 days in a row. So I wasn't too sure if this was a breakout that was going to continue. So I basically took my profits when the market went below this candle right here. So that is the trade, guys. I pretty much got, around $400 off that trade. And, that was a nice trade for me. So overall, that is the strategy right there. Okay, we're looking for someone to basically get stopped out. And then we were looking for buyers to come back in and vice versa. If the market is going down, we're looking for sellers to come back in. Okay, so those are the 3 confirmations that you can use, okay, when you're trading support and resistance. I know I showed you guys a lot of support examples, but you can use those examples if you are trading resistance too. Now, I'm going to show you guys another example of an extra confirmation. So I'm going to give you guys a bonus today, all right? Because I love you guys. So shout out to everybody that's watching this video. Now, this bonus is using a trend line at resistance or support. Okay, so what we have here, guys, we have resistance right here, resistance right here. And, you can tell that this is resistance, right? We broke this, right? Now, what do we have here? We have a trend line lining up. So we have resistance right here, plus we have a trend line lining up, okay? When you have resistance and a trend line lining up, or vice versa, when you have support and a trend line lining up, okay, that is extra confirmation that's telling you this is a high quality trade. Let's get in so we can enjoy our profits. All right. So that's the end of this video, guys. So those are the 3 simple strategies that you can use trading the markets, right? If you got some value out of this video, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you join my free Telegram group, okay? And if you want deeper training, I do have a program for you guys that will show you how to become a full-time trader. I actually created a nice video in the course that goes into how to build a small trading account, okay? So you will love that. If you have any questions, type your questions below in the comment box. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and please have a great day.